Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel Lifestyle with me. So guys, how are you all? I hope you all are in the best state of health and iman, inshallah. So guys, as you can see that we are making mango smoothie, and these are the ingredients we have for making mango smoothie. This recipe is very refreshing, quick, simple and easy, and it makes in minutes. So it's evening time, and I want to make a mango smoothie for my family. Let's start the recipe. First we take half cup of milk, half cup of Greek yogurt or thick yogurt, yani ki dahi, and 2 tablespoon of sugar, or you can have 1 tablespoon of honey, whatever you have. One frozen banana and 4 mangoes pulp. We cut it and we freeze it in cubes. So in this way we don't need ice cubes. First we take in a blender ice cubes, mango cubes, then banana, one banana we take, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, half cup of yogurt and half cup of milk. Let's blend it. And that's it guys. The smoothie is ready. The refreshing smoothie is ready. And believe me guys, it's so tasty, it's so healthy, and in these pandemic of coronavirus, as you know all that mango has vitamin C and full of vitamin C, and it really give you a strong immune system because it have, and we have to decorate it with ice cream, some scoops of ice cream and some chunks of mango. So it's ready. I hope you all will try it and give me feedback. Must give your feedback. I will be waiting for your feedback, and I hope you will try it and tell me how's it. For more recipes, for more quick, easy and refreshing and yummy recipes, subscribe to my channel and like and share this recipe. Allah Hafiz.